Are you ready to draw the cutest and easiest puppy ever? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. First, draw a big circles for the right eye. Now add a small shiny circle inside it. Do the same for other eyes. Color the rest of the eyes black. Great job! The eyes look adorable already. Draw the nose and mouth. Draw a small triangle between the eyes for the nose. From the nose, draw two short curved lines, going down to make a cute little smile. Draw a short curved line above the eyes for the top of the head. Now draw two floppy ears, one on each side. Draw the cheeks. Add two soft curved lines on both sides of the face to make the cheeks look puffy and cute. Now add face color lines. Inside the face, draw two curved lines to show the color pattern on the puppy's face. Let's draw the body. Follow my lines and draw the simple body shape. Now draw the front paws next to the legs. Amazing! Connect the body. Draw the tail. Now draw the easy, cute tail on the side. And that's it. Now it's time to color. Our puppy is finished. It was super easy, right? If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Draw for our channel. Write your name on your drawing and send it to a bear in future videos. Draw for
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.